Paano nga ba natin mai-increase ang ating cash flow? Alam mo ba na the way you manage your time and cash flow can make you poor or rich? I-check natin yung sarili natin. So number one, how do you manage your spare time? Pag may extra time ka, paano mo ito inuubos? Una, A, waste time. B, waste money. Or C, make more money. Alam mo, guilty ako dito kasi dati, pag may Saturday, no, yung spare time ko, yung extra time, nagpupunta ako sa mall, nag-uubos ng oras, nag-uubos ng pera. And then, pangalawa, how do you manage your salary? A, save some. B, spend all. C, spend before you receive it. Grabe, no? So, ang gawin natin, solution number one, change the things you do in your spare time. Gawin natin, earn additional income. Yun ang ginawa ko dati. Nag-part-time ako bilang financial educator para makaalis ako sa rat race cycle or pagiging empleyado. And solution number two, change your money habits. Reduce expenses, wag masyadong gastos ng gastos, lalo na pag walang ipon at baon sa utang. And pay yourself first. Pasweldohin mo muna sarili mo, mag-save ka. Priority dapat ang savings. And sabi nga, it is not what you earn. It's what you keep. And para matuto ka more on savings and investment, message mo na ako sa personal FB ko, Roancelis Capistrano.